Hello friends, welcome to Data Nebula. My name is Venkatramana. Today we are going to solve one of the lead code question, which is consecutive numbers. So yeah, let's get into the problem. We have given one table which is logs, which is having two columns, means ID and num. Here ID is just a primary key. If you look at the sample data, okay, we have given sample data like this, ID and num. Uh, Here, if you look at right, under num, we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay. We need to write a query. Okay. From this table, the number which is having repeated thrice. I mean, consecutively thrice. If you look at this data, okay, one has repeated thrice. I mean, consecutively 1, 1, 1. So we need to bring this number as the output. For suppose if you have two also tries right consecutively, then we need to bring two also. So this is very simple question only. Okay, a bit tricky. Let me explain you in a simpler way in Excel. Let me open Excel sheet. This is the same data which I copied from LeetCode. Now, if you look at the data, right, under num column, okay, we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, right? So, for suppose if you bring the data like this, for suppose here, if you see, right, what I did is first record, okay, for this number column, okay, what is the next value? I mean, next row's value. For this, okay, next row's value is 1. And also for this, what is the next to next row's value? I mean, this one, okay, like this. What we can do for each record, okay, what is the next row's value and its next to next row's value if you bring in two different columns, right? What we can do later, we can just apply a condition here where number equal to next number and number equal to next number. Like this we can just try to do for each record, so that we can just apply this number and we can get the result. Okay, this is very straightforward only thing is we need to know, okay, how to implement this. Okay, this is very simple only. So as I said earlier, right, for each record, what we'll do, what is the next number, okay, I mean next records value and next to next record value into two different columns like this, num next and num next to, so that we can just apply a condition and we can get the result. Let me open the lead code. We'll write the SQL here. Okay, so as I said, okay, we need number and next rows value, right? So we have inbuilt functions like lead, lag, window functions. Okay. For now, I'm using lead as I'm just checking next value and next value. So if you want to take the previous value and next value, then you can just use lag and lead. Okay. For now, I'm using lead. Okay, which will give the next rows value. Okay, we can define the precision also, like how many rows it should need to go and pick the value. Okay, for now I need first I need next rows value, so I need to give 1 here. Okay, as we don't have any partition or sorting, right, I'm just making it as blank here. Okay, and I'm selecting this as next number. Okay, now along with this, okay, what we need next rows, next rows, I mean, for if you consider first record, right, we need third record value also. Okay. For that, we can just apply same lead only here. Instead of 1, we need to give 2. I mean, we need to take the lead. Lead means just like after this record, like that, you can just consider. Okay. So for this record, just take the next second next. I mean, not this one. Okay. We need the second one. Okay. So that we'll get the next to next record value. I'll just name it as next to next number like this. Okay, that will make. more meaningful name. So from Lux. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll make this as CTE. Okay. With num CTE. And now next what we need to do, we just need to apply a condition here. Okay. Let me just select it from num CTE. Okay. We need the number where this number equal to next number and same number, like same number should be equal to next number, like this. Okay, and we'll just select the column which we require, this pink num. Here if you see, right, in the output they are expecting the column name as consecutive names. So I'll just select the num as select consecutive num. Okay, let me run this query. Yes. Yeah, you look at the test results also. Test case, it's same one only. Okay, they didn't display the test result. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.